Hey guys, Sarah here. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be unboxing our Birchbox for November 2019. This box came very early. I think I got this on the 5th of November it showed up. I'm just now getting time to sit down and film it. But yeah, it came super early, so very interesting. Not mad about it. This box is like $15 a month. You can get like discounts for doing longer subscriptions, things like that. But I think the average is $15. You get 5 or 6, I think 6. I feel like we've been getting 6. Beauty, skincare, hair care, makeup samples, that sort of deal. Sometimes I really love this box, sometimes I sort of hate this box. Let's see how I feel about it today. As always, if I don't know if something is cruelty-free at the time of filming, I always put that in the description box right down there, as well as breaking down the value of everything in here to find out whether we're getting a good deal or not. So I will research, get the sample value, all that stuff, add it all up, and see how much this entire box is actually worth. Sorry, Josie's back there chewing on a bone. So if you hear that, that's Josie. I say it every video, but my favorite thing about this box is like the actual physical box. It's always really cute. I save them all. They're just really cute. This one has little houses on it. Super cute. What's interesting this month is normally just the lid has decorations, but the entire box does this month, so cute. Okay, let's see what's in here. On this card right here, it's going to have the full-size values of everything listed, so I will be sure to mention those as well. Okay, so right away I'm seeing some foil packets, so I'll go ahead and pull those out first. The first is from a brand called Davines or Davines. I'm not sure how you say it. This is an Absolute Beautifying Shampoo. There's that. I've never heard of this brand, so I can't speak to whether they're cruelty-free or not. I'm not a fan of these. I just don't like using them. I think in a shower it's just sort of a mess that you're making. And I find that shampoo not as much, but conditioner foil packets, it's not enough to condition my hair. I have a lot of hair. And so it's just not really ever enough. I'm sure most of you are like, you run out of your conditioner before you run out of your shampoo. So, but this is the shampoo, so I might try it. I'm not sure. Let's see, the full-size value of it is $34. So I don't think I would ever pay that much for a shampoo. So that's my opinion. I also am now seeing I have the conditioner. Again, I don't think that's going to be enough. It does feel super thick, like a really hydrating conditioner, I will say that. Conditioner, for some reason, is valued at $40, which is interesting. Okay, so that's the first two things I got. That's what's kind of irritating. Like, these are like the free samples, so I would never pay for these. Nobody would ever pay for these. That's kind of annoying. Okay, let's see. The next thing I have is also from that Davines brand. This is the All-in-One Milk, a multi-benefit beauty treatment. So it's like a leave-in conditioner, if I'm understanding correctly. Let's go ahead and look at the card. So yeah, it's a rinse-free conditioner, deeply nourishes hair. All these protect against UV exposure, which I didn't realize was an issue for hair, but they do that. Okay. The full size of this thing is $35. So again, a little bit expensive, but at least this one you can get a couple of uses out of. It feels like a good size. You guys okay back there? Okay. Okay, let's see. The next thing I am pulling out is from Oribe, which I believe is cruelty-free. I've tried this before, or something from them. I don't typically use texturizing sprays that much, but I definitely will give it a try. Not mad about it. Let's see. This full size is valued at $46. Holy crap. I do have a full size of the dry shampoo, and I think I got it in some box. I did not pay that much, but very expensive. So it does say part dry shampoo. So yeah, I definitely will give that a try. Okay, the next thing I have is from Doucce. I say it wrong every time. I don't know the way to say it. This is the Luscious Lip Stain. Right there. It's showing up darker on camera than it is in real life. In real life, it's like almost orange. I'll go ahead and swatch it. I don't think this is a color I would use personally, but I can probably give it away to someone. What is wrong, sir? What do you need? Can I help you? What's wrong? No. Oh, God. Now they're all here. Now everyone's here. What do you need? What do you need? Okay. So it's definitely a lip color. It's not a gloss. Okay, ma'am, you can't wear this. There it is. So it's actually prettier than I thought it was going to be. I mean, it definitely is way more orange. And I'm probably not going to wear it, but it does feel nice. It's like a thin sort of formula. So it feels like it wouldn't feel too uncomfortable on your lips. I do believe it's going to dry down matte though. Let's see. And the full size of this is $28. It bothers me when they call these things like a lip stain. That's not a lip stain. It's like a lipstick, a liquid lipstick. A lip stain is totally something different, in my opinion. It is totally something different, but they're calling this a stain, so maybe it does some staining. But to me, it's a liquid lip. Okay, so the next thing I'm pulling out is from Acure. This is the Brightening Under Eye Supergreens Hydrogels. This brand is cruelty free. I've tried, I think, is it this box or Allure? Last month I got that kelp face wash and I've been using it. I've also tried a couple creams from them, so I do like this brand. Sir, how do you feel about this brand? So yeah, these are like those under eye gels. I'm curious to give these a try. I do enjoy like eye masks, so I definitely will give this a go. Let's see, and this is valued at $4.99 it's saying, so I'm pretty sure that's the price for one mask, so not too bad. Okay, the last thing I have in here looks to be full size. This is the Wander Beauty Mile High Club Volume and Length Mascara. There it is. I do actually already own this. I got it from a box. So I'll pull out the one I have open so you can see. This is the one I got. That's the one I have. So yeah, definitely full size. This is like a really good mascara. I actually really like it. It is a wetter formula. So there's the wand right there. It's kind of like a standard wand, but it does really give you a lot of volume when you're using it. It's very easy to add multiple layers. It doesn't like dry down too quickly, so that's good. I really actually enjoy this mascara, so I'm excited to get another one. The full size, actually this, is valued at $26. So it's like an expensive mascara, but I only paid $15 for this box, so not mad. Okay, so that's everything I got in this box. Sorry, she has a fascination with like licking feet or anything, right? What are you doing? What? Do you need to be on camera? Do you think everybody wants to see you? Okay. Oh my goodness. If you've never had a German Shepherd, then you don't know that they have to inspect everything. So she's over here like going through the box, making sure it's safe for me. I don't know what she's doing. But she has a fascination with like opening things. Like if it has a knob or something that she can move up with her nose, like she knows how to open doors. If there's something with a lid that she can nose up, she will go like that and nose up. She's just has to know what's inside of everything. Then there's Bronx, who's the goodest good boy, right? What's it? What's it? Here's the goodest good boy, right here. There he is. Okay, so sorry my dogs are being crazy right now. Let's give you my overall thoughts on this box. I am excited about the mascara. I'm excited about the hair texturizing spray. I hope the leave-in conditioner is cruelty free. I would definitely use that. The lip thing, not excited about. I just don't like the color. I can show you how it dried down. It's just very bright for me personally. It's just, I don't think it would look good on my skin. The eye masks, I'm excited about. this is like a dud. I don't think anybody on the face of this planet enjoys foil packet samples, so those are going to be a pass for me personally. So overall, I thought the box wasn't bad. It was decent in my opinion. So there's a couple things that I'm excited to use, and that's really all you could ask for in these. I mean, it's just a random box of things. I don't think anything's catered to anyone in Birchbox. But anyways, I would love to know what you guys thought of this box if you get Birchbox. I don't know if they do variations on this box. Let me know if you get this box, if you got something different. I would love to know what other people are getting in their Birchboxes. Anyways, that's all I have for today's video. If you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up for me. If you want to see more videos like this from me, more unboxings, more naughty dogs back there, go ahead and hit that subscribe button right down there. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.